Good morning, students. This is Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Dear students, today we are going to see some problems in the second unit, that is a Boolean algebra. Okay, see the problem. This is a very important 5 marks question. Just listen. What is given for any Boolean algebra B, we have to prove that A plus B into B plus C into C plus A is equal to AB plus BC plus CA for every A comma B comma C belongs to capital B. That is, we have to prove that. Let us take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? A plus B into B plus C plus C plus A. So first keep the first term as it is, that is A plus B into, just take the second term and third term, you have to combine, multiply the second term and the third term. That is, B into C is nothing but BC, and then C into C, and then B into A, and then C into A. So the next term, A plus B into, write BC as it is, C into C is nothing but C. This is a property. We get C into C is equal to C. So write simply C, and then BA, and then CA. And next we have to multiply the term with A plus B. That is A into BC plus AC plus ABA plus ACA plus B into BC plus BC plus BBA into BCA. Next we have to using the property ABC, write ABC as it is, second term AC, and then see the third term ABA. A into A is nothing but A. So we get AB. The next term ACA is nothing but AC. BBC is equal to BC. Next term is BC. The next term BBA is equal to BA. The next term ABC. So write the first term and the last term ABC plus ABC. Okay. And AC and AC are 2 times. So AC plus AC. And then AB plus AB. And then BC plus BC. And next term, using the property A plus A is equal to A. So A plus A is equal to A. So using the property here, so ABC plus ABC is nothing but ABC. AC plus AC is equal to AC. AB plus AB is equal to AB. BC plus BC is equal to BC. Okay. Right. The first two terms ABC plus AC. Take AC outside. We get B plus 1 plus BC AC. BC plus AB. We know that AC into, what is B plus 1 is nothing but 1. So B plus 1 is nothing but 1. So write 1 plus BC plus AB. That is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA is equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. See the next one. Let us see the next the topic in subtopic in the Boolean algebra, that is two element Boolean algebra. What is called two element Boolean algebra? What are the two elements? 0 and 1 are the two elements. So how can we use these two elements in Boolean algebra? How can we use the operators, that is addition, multiplication and negation? For these are the chapters we are going to study in this two element Boolean algebra. So see, let us consider the Boolean algebra B with the only two elements, because every Boolean algebra consists of 1 and 0. Okay, we find that B is equal to 0, 1 is a Boolean algebra where the operators, what are the operators? Plus, that is addition, multiplication and negation. This is complement. Complement is also called as negation or defined as. See, this is a table. This is a two element Boolean algebra table. Okay. First, we have to see the operator addition. There is addition. There are two elements, 1, 0, write in row wise and write in column wise. So, 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 0 plus 0 is 0. So, this is a two element Boolean algebra is used in the addition operation. Right. Let us see in the multiplication. Same one, write is a row wise and column. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0. This is the formulas. All these are formulas. So using this table only how to solve the problems. And next one, negation. See the negation. For 1 negation is 0, 0 negation is 1. Complement. 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is 1. So this table can be written otherwise. In other words, it can be defined as 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Or in addition multiplication, 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 1 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, 0 into 0 is equal to 0. And next one, 1 complement is equal to 0 and 0 complement is equal to 1. For the above table is defined as the two element Boolean algebra and it is denoted by B2 or B. For the important 2 marks, define two element Boolean algebra means write the definition. So this is a two element Boolean algebra definition. See the Boolean variables. What is, last definition is a Boolean two elements Boolean algebra, that is 1 and 0, and this is called a Boolean variable. And literal symbols such as, for variable means we have to introduce many variables x, y, z. So in such variables x, y, z, x1, x2, etc., xn used to represent the two elements b is equal to 0, 1 is called the Boolean variable. So this is a definition for the Boolean variable. For what is called Boolean expression. At x1, x2, xn, x1, x2, etc., x1 be the Boolean variable. A Boolean variable defined over B is defined as the first property 0, 0 and 1 are Boolean expression, and second one x1, x2, etc., xn are Boolean expressions, and third one if alpha is a Boolean expression then alpha dash is also Boolean expression. The fourth one, if a alpha 1 and alpha 2 are Boolean expression, then alpha 1 comma alpha 2, alpha 1 into alpha 2 and alpha 1 plus alpha 2 are also Boolean expressions. So these are the some properties are involved in the Boolean expression. Fifth one, only these expressions are Boolean expressions on which determined by the rules 1 to 4. So see the example, x plus y dash, x1 dot x2 dash plus x4, x1 x2 plus x4 plus x3 plus x2 dash. All these are Boolean expressions. These are some expressions. So see some problem. Let us consider the truth table for the Boolean expression. For this table, this table is called the truth table. Okay, there's a table 1, 0 using addition of multiplication and negation. This is called the truth table. So using this truth table, how can we construct the Boolean expression? What is the expression is given? There are three variables x1, x2, x3. That is alpha of x1, x2, x3. We have to using the table, we have to form this truth table by using the expression x1 plus what is given x1 plus x2 dot x3 dash. Listen carefully, x1 plus x2 dot x3 dash. Okay girls, so first there are three variables x1, x2, x3. So if there are three variables, what are the possibilities? What are the possibilities? There are only two elements, 1 and 0. So first x1, x2, x3, x1 column, x2 column, x3 column. Next let us find x3 dash, because x3 dash is we have to find. So find x3 dash. And next column x2 dot x3 dash, and the next column x1 plus x2 dot x3 dash. This is the table. So find first three columns values x1, x2, x3. For there is a three variable means 8 possibilities. 3 variable means 8 possibilities. So you have to write 8 possibilities using the two elements 1 and 0. Okay, right. So first possibility is 1, 1, 1. Second possibility is 1, 1, 0. You can write in your order, just rearrange the order. No problem. 1, 1, 1. Second one 1, 1, 0. Next one 1, 0, 1. Next one 1, 0, 0. Next one 0, 0, 1. Next one 0, 1, 0. Next one 0, 0, 1. The last one 0, 0, 0. Just count all the possibilities. See the possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 3 variable means how many possibilities? 8 possibilities. If it is 2 variable means how many possibilities? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 4 possibilities. Okay. So there is a 3 variable, 8 possibilities. Next column you have to find x3 dash. Dash is nothing but negation. So see the column x3 column 1. 1 complement 0. Next one 0 complement 1. 1 complement 0. 0 dash 1. 1 dash 0. 0 dash 1. 1 dash 0. 0 dash 1. That is x3 dash. Next we have to multiply x2 into x3 dash. x2 into x3 dash. 1 into 0. 0. 1 into 1. 1. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. So that is x3 dot x2 dot x3 dash. Next column is x1 plus x2 dot x3 dash. We have to multiply with add with x1. So 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. So this is the truth table for constructing the given Boolean expression. Next one. F2, when we say that the two Boolean expressions are equal, see, when two Boolean expressions, that is first expression alpha 1 of x1, x2, etc. xn and beta of x1, x2, etc. xn are said to be equal if they assume the same values for every assignment of value 0 to 1 to variables x1, x2, etc. xn, we denote as a alpha is equal to b. This is a definition for the equal of the two Boolean expression. See the problem. Find the values of alpha of 101, alpha of 001 and alpha of 010, where alpha is a Boolean expression, that is alpha of x1, x2, x3 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 dash. So there is variables are given. What are the possibilities is given directly, that is 101, 001, 011. First find x3 dash. 1 dash 0, 1 dash 0, 1 dash 0. And then find x1 plus x2 plus x3 dash. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1. So this is the value for the x1 plus x2 plus x3 dash. Right. See the next, this is very, very important sum. University problem. Show that the Boolean expression x1 dot x2 into x3, the first two variables are combined, x1 into x2 into x3 and x1 into x2 into x3. Okay, x1 into x2 into x3 are equal. You have to prove that the two variables are equal, right? So this is a 3 variable, right? So 3 variable means write the 8 possibilities. First find x1 into x2 and then find x2 into x3. The next column x1 into x2 into x3. The next column x1 into x2 into x3. And just check the last two columns. See, the last two columns are equal. Therefore, x1 into x2 into x3 is equal to x1 dot x2 dot x3. Okay. See, some homework sums are given. Just construct the truth table for the Boolean expression. That is x into y plus x dash. It contains two variables. So, two variables x and y. So, two variable x and y means what are the possibilities? 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So, third one, x, y dash plus y into x dash plus z. There are 3 variables. So, okay, variables can be determined in different names. Sometimes it can be asked in x1, x2, x3 and sometimes it can be represented as x, y, z. So, here the 3 variables are represented as x, y and z. So, x, y, z, the 3 variable mean how many possibilities? 8 possibilities. So, write the 8 possibilities and form the truth table. So, forming the truth table is very, very important problem. Sometimes it will be asked for 2 marks, 5 marks also. So, just go through all the problems, girls. It is very easy only. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will clear your doubts. Okay, girls. Thank you.